Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you a mystery box of 3D printed creations that was sent to me from Trinkify3D. First up is this amazing crystal dragon. It has a unique crystal inspired design that gives it a magical look. The flexible joints let you pose it in different ways, making it really satisfying to play with. I also received the spiky clicker fidget. It has a really interesting texture that stands out from other fidget toys. You can fidget with it in different ways by clicking, squeezing and rolling it between your hands. Next I have this Gothic library clicker. This one has lots of cute details. You can push the books and ornaments and they make a satisfying clicking sound. Last one I have here is this fun and simple twist fidget. You can slide the spinner side to side or turn it upside down to make the spinner move. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!